Hey friends, in this video I will show you how to fix screenshot pop-up notification not showing. For example, when I press my keyboard window plus shift plus S, here you can see the screenshot tool. When I take a screenshot, here you can see the screenshot pop-up notification is not showing. So first of all, drag your mouse to start menu, and here you can see the power option. Just click on it, and here you can see the restart option. Just restart your PC and check your problem is solved or not. If not solve your problem, follow the second method. Just drag your mouse to taskbar, here you can see, and right click, and as you can see the task manager option, click on it, and here you can find just Windows Explorer. Scroll down little bit, as you can see the Windows Explorer, right click on it and restart the Windows Explorer. After restart Windows Explorer, just take a screenshot and check your pop-up notification it's showing or not. If not showing, follow the third method. Click on start menu, and here you can see the setting icon. Click on it and just select system option and scroll down little bit, notification and action option, here you can see, click on it and scroll down little bit and check this option it turn on or off. If showing off, just click on this turn on and check your notification showing or not. So friends, here you can see the notification pop-up showing it's working. So this is the three method you can fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and like, share, comment below. So yeah guys.